you'll be surprised to know that Lord Chaitanya had a very poor friend. In his childhood, he had a poor friend. His name was Sridhar. His income was daily, in those days, 500 years before, his income was, say, about 5 cents daily. Not even that. Suppose 5. So out of that 5 cents, he would spend 2.5 cents for Ganga Puja, for worshipping Mother Ganges. And with the balance, 2.5 cents, he will maintain his family. So, similarly, there are many instances. So it doesn't matter what is your income, 5 cents or $500. You must try to satisfy according to your capacity the Supreme Law. That's me. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.